Yo, what is going on everybody? Burger Creations back here with another video, and welcome to Burger Creations 2.0. Guys, I am so excited for this rebrand slash relaunch. I've worked really hard on a lot of this stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy. And also, thank you guys so much for all the love and support through these beginning times of Burger Creations. I got a lot of big ideas, a lot of big projects in my mind coming up, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. Guys, also don't forget, go get your new Burger Creations at www.etsy.com/burgercreations. And for this weekend only, there'll be a 20% off sale on everything in the store. It's a nice relaunch sale, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you go check it out. Also, hope you enjoyed the new videos that got coming in the following weeks. We have new videos coming every Friday except the holiday week. We'll do a video on Wednesday instead. But anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you're excited for the future, and that's been it, guys.